Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we are talking about smoke detectors or smoke alarms or fire alarms, whatever you want to call them. We are talking about them today. And depending on which design you have, yours could be a push to release for the battery. In our case, it is a door that shifts to the side that gives us access to the actual battery. We will carefully pull this out. And I'm going to show you that there's nothing else inside there. At this point, we have a really good view of the internal workings of the smoke detector. I'm going to remove this plate. This is basically the motherboard of the entire system. And over time, a lot of dust, cobwebs, or possibly insects can crawl inside the detector and work its way anywhere on this motherboard and set off the detector. I just wanted to show you what exactly the smoke detectors look like from the inside out. That's it. I hope the video helped. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings and turn on your YouTube notifications. By that, every video we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. At the end of this video, we talk more about smoke detectors, so take a look at those videos.